Complete the steps that could be used to plot the point 7, 10 on a coordinate grid. Fill in the blanks to complete the statements. So it might help to draw a quick little XY coordinate grid and think about how you would put a point at 7, 10. Well, we always run first, so we're going to run to 7, and then we would jump up to 10. Okay, so let's see. Step 1, start at the, where did we start? What is that called where the X and Y axis intersect? That is the origin. Step 2, use the blank coordinate, move 7 units to the blank. So we're talking about that 7. That 7's the first number in the ordered pair, and it is on the x-axis, and so it is the x coordinate. And we're going to move 7 units to the, what direction did we go? That is to the right. Then step 3, using the, well, if 7 was the x coordinate, we second use the second coordinate, which is y, to move 10 units up and plot the point. So start at the origin, using the x coordinate, move 7 units to the right, using the y coordinate, move 10 units up. Plot the point. In other words, run, then jump.